to Bloomington tomorrow for the big celebration. It's going to be awfully cold outside, and the weather could be potentially dangerous a little later in the day.
Yeah.
Thankfully, this event, 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
what are
we're
we
in
looking
better
at
shape.
then?
And better shape in the forecast, because a couple of days ago it was a little more worrisome that the snow would begin on Sunday or Saturday afternoon. But there's been at least that tweak to the forecast, and we mentioned that and really started to apply that to the idea that this is going to come in later on Saturday, and it will likely be at its height on Sunday. And on Sunday is when the bulk of the snow will be falling. Speaking of the snowfall, you know, we've been out of service really for a better part of the last 6 weeks. You go back to December the 19th, and we've had little to no snowfall. Before that, we had almost 15 inches of snow. But since the official start of winter, we've had 1.3 inches of snow. We've been sitting here at 16 inches of snow, and we have a real good chance of seeing as much as 8, 9, or 10 inches in Indianapolis with this one storm alone. It is brutally cold as we check in Speedway right now. Thoughts to some warmer days. The wind chill is down to 16 degrees below zero. The air temperature sits at 2 officially at the airport. This is the lowest the wind chill has been all day long, and it was awfully cold to start the day. These are the beautiful skies, 8 o'clock in the morning at Daniels Vineyard. It looked like it was a terrific day until you opened up the door and you felt that cold. We sat in the single digits for the balance of the afternoon. The cold breezes have been blowing. A gorgeous time lapse from Daniels Vineyard, and we see the sun going down, but still plenty of daylight after 6 o'clock. The days are getting longer, but boy, this wintry weather is going to really tighten its grip here now that the cold has arrived. So we'll break this down as you get ready for your weekend. We have a lot of dry time on Saturday. It's going to be awfully cold, especially out the door, but there will likely be some patchy snow. More likely later into the day, into the evening, and then it will really steadily increase as we move through daybreak on Sunday. The snow coverage and intensity will definitely increase at or before sunrise on Sunday, and the steady heavy snow, it'll start to taper off late in the day on Sunday. But there will be stronger winds blowing at times Sunday night into Monday that will create considerable blowing and drifting snow, and still very hazardous travel into mid-morning on Monday. We've had some mid and high level clouds arrive. The temperatures, well, they've been able to cool and get much colder since sunset. We're down to 1 at Fishers, 2 at the airport. We've got some negative numbers already at this hour. Marion is at 1 below. 1 below at Crawfordsville, -2 in Logansport. We're back in business in the snow department because this winter storm is going to pack a serious punch. We've got colder air in place. It is all about the cold air at this point. The 20-degree temperature change leads to that wind chill and a north wind of as much as 15 to 20 degrees below zero, and that number will stay very low throughout the course of the night and into early Saturday morning. That's our first advisory for the weekend, the cold weather advisory. But there are the snows breaking out now and really beginning to get organized. This is just the leading edge and the leading piece of energy that will come up from the south and west tomorrow. The Arctic air is in place. The wind chills last night at this time were pushing 50 below zero in Duluth. They had actual air temperatures in northern Minnesota this morning go to 39 degrees below zero. The wind and the chill is excessive across the nation, hence the advisories are sprawling across much of the country. And if you're wondering where our air is coming from, no doubt about it, it's coming from the Arctic. The northwest breeze and northwest flow is bringing the air parcels all the way from the Arctic regions of the planet, and this is where we have plotted the path of that air. This is where it originated about 8 to 10 days ago. So this is bitterly cold cross-polar jet stream that's going to spread all of this Arctic air south, and that's what we're watching, the snows breaking out to our south and west and spreading north. Advisories are out for 24 states. We are under a winter storm watch. That's the second advisory of the weekend, winter storm warning for the onset of some very heavy snow. Ice to the south, and it could be crippling for areas like eastern Texas into the Carolinas. Heavy band of snow, consistent now for several days that it will be central and south central Indiana into northern Kentucky. So again, Saturday starts off dry. Saturday is very cold. Plenty of dry time to get out and about, but those scattered snow showers will become more numerous as we move through the overnight hours, and that snow will begin to reach 70-80% coverage tomorrow night towards dark. The snowfall amounts look to be pretty healthy. An incredible consistency in the snowfall ability here. The numbers, the QPF is what we call that, quantitative precipitation forecast. Fancy term for how much water is available. Well, quite a bit. and that will turn into possibly as much as 9 inches of snow specifically in Indianapolis, with a spread of at least 6 to 12 inches right through the heart of the state. A little less to the north and west, maybe some areas exceed 12 inches south and east, but boy, this is going to be really challenging weather here as we get into Sunday afternoon, and well into Monday. Temperature is at near zero, but we're dry to start a day that tops out at only 13. Heavy snow Sunday, blowing and drifting into Monday, and more of this brutally cold air for much of next week.